So, would you like to give some message?
Lucknow. Well, I'm absolutely delighted to be here in Lucknow. I've been very warmly welcomed. I think Lucknow is a beautiful city, and Australia and UP, but particularly Lucknow, have many connections that we can work on in education, in skills, in agriculture. But one of the big connections we have, which is very close to my heart, is that Walter Burley Griffin, the man who designed our capital city in Australia, Canberra, lived the last of his days here in Lucknow and remains buried in Lucknow. So there's always going to be a connection between Australia and Lucknow. I'm very grateful to have met so many fine people, Dr. Rizvi among them, and to be warmly welcomed to this place. Very happy to be here.
To say about the composite culture of Lucknow and Australia also.
Well, now both, both were British colonies once. And both are parliamentary democracies, and there are so many things common between Australia and India, and I think that Australia is one of the few countries where Indians are very welcome. So you won't find any differentiation or any distinction between a Australian and or an Indian. And once she has come to Lucknow, Lucknow is a place where one comes, but it is very difficult to leave this place. You will come again, I am sure.
Thank you.
You will come again and you would like to stay over here.
Oh, I would. Many parts of India, I would wish I could stay in. Lucknow is definitely one of them. So I'm very happy to be here. And I think Dr. Rizvi is right. The thing that we share is the ability to build a truly well-functioning multicultural society, and that's the case in Australia. Lucknow is such a wonderful model for that. So I look forward to spending more time here.
So nice of you.
Thank you.